Schrödinger, for that was a real name, whom we shall forever call Kitty, was a well-read cat. She could not bear the thought of not reading the book that you were enjoying, and would always seek to read it with you, even to the extent that frequently she would place herself between your eyes and the sign symbol on the leaves, rendering the semiotic process impotent. This interest in books had provided her with a deep understanding of the teaching of her namesake, of which, if dear reader you have not already read, you may find a disturbing summary in Wikipedia, or if you would prefer the version on the BBC it is easy to grasp.
It was an intriguing thought experiment, Kitty agreed, and spent much of her time looking into boxes of a variety of kinds. This was a trait which she shared with several of her feline friends who were patient and kind, and willing to wait several hours watching for what might appear from any small hole in the box or even the wall nearby. She was not distressed by the possibility of only two outcomes, for unlike her mistress she was not possessed of a singular life, but rather of 9. The odds were clearly stacked, like the boxes, in her favor.
So without further ado, let us proceed to the final page of this video, but firstly, it is necessary to provide a short warning. Warning. This post contains material which may be difficult for those of a sensitive disposition to read and view. If you are likely to take offense at the sight or sight of an Iron Maiden, then you are advised not to proceed but to press the back button on this webpage, to clear your cache, and remove any links to this page from your web history. Please do not remove any links to the home page but retain them for future delectation and degustation.
If however you have understood Schrödinger, then you will understand that no felines have been hurt in the production of the image, which for the most part has been produced by artificial intelligence as instructed by the mind of Coco, which is a modicum of real, though still imaginary, intelligence. And if you have ever visited the far side you will also understand that the image is not an attempt to produce a pastiche of the works that you may find there.
The skill, albeit aided by computer-generated imagery, used in this production cannot match the skill of the artist on the far side, nor their ability to represent interpret unlikely, but not impossible, social circumstance in a novel, and often bewildering, manner, so as to catch the readers and viewers off guard in their understanding of the word written and the image presented.
Finally, did you hear the radio presenter talking about Coltrane recently? In the generic sense, though a musician spoke of always listening to music as a listener and not as a musician. Coco thought that rather odd, because the only way you can listen to music is as a listener. You cannot listen to music as a spectator, for the organs of spectacle are not susceptible to providing interpretable responses from the brain, except perhaps for those of allodynia. You must use the organs of hearing to understand the perturbations of pressure in the atmosphere which envelops you.
Waiter, if you are a musician, you are capable of laying aside your musicianship when listening to another musician is a moot point, but not relevant, for there is no disagreement between being a listener who is not a musician and a listener who is, except perhaps when it comes to an interpretation or criticism of the performance to which the listening had been applied. Both the listening musician and the listening non-musician heard, and listened to, the same sounds.
Penultimately, yes, that should precede finally, but Coco now considers that Coco is written enough. So you may disagree and consider that Coco is written far more than necessary. Coco would not wish to disagree with you over your concluded opinion, for then we would both waste much other or finger energy should the discussion, debate, argument or conversation proceed in a written form over that which is of less than ephemeral interest to any of the readers of this page, and that this page may now belong enough to have prevented the image below from being viewed before you had read the warning above. If you have not read the warning, please return to the beginning to read it.
If you consider that it is safe to do so, you may proceed.
Please note that if you do proceed, you confirm that you have read the warning, have taken heed to retain, and shall hold harmless Coco, his representative, this website and anyone and everyone else should you suffer any feeling of offense after proceeding other than yourself. Furthermore, if you feel any sense of letdown after proceeding, you also hold yourself responsible for following your fingers rather than your nose and your conscience, and thus provoking the response within yourself.
You have been warned.
Kitty considered the position carefully and, despite her feline disposition, realized that whatever Schrödinger may have said, there was only one way she would come out of the box.